Okay, here comes the guy on a bike. Oh yeah. Right on. Right on, right on, right on, right on. Hey guys, say cheese. Hey guys. There we go. Give me a wave. Give me a wave. Come on, give me a wave. Everybody wave, 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 wave. There we go, there we go. Awesome, awesome. Let's do it. Come on, hon. Yeah. I do street photography, and you send me an email. What's your name?
Jude.
Jude? Okay, I'll remember that. You send me an email, say Jude, and I'll send you guys a copy of these.
Thank you.
Absolutely. Here we go. Right, let me make sure. Here we go, guys, right here. We're gonna take a couple. Oh yeah, perfect, perfect. Here we go, one more. Okay, well, hold on. Hold up, hold up, hold up. Okay, here we go. Awesome. Awesome. Thank you guys so much. All right. You guys want a picture?
No, thanks.
It's no charge or anything, nothing weird. Just okay, thanks, that's all right. Thanks. Excuse me, sir. It's gonna sound weird, but can I take your portrait real quick?
Yeah, sure.
You got a very unique look, cool. There you go, right here. Awesome, one more. Get close up. Excellent, thank you. What's your first name?
James.
James. If you want to send me an email and say James, I'll remember you, that's my brother's name, and I'll send you a copy of it. No charge or anything like that. I just look for interesting people.
All right.
Thank you, sir. Okay, so you can see we've got the GoPro here, and I've got the wireless Go there. Will that work okay? Yeah, that'll work okay. There we go, now we're ready to roll. So we've got our 18 to 135 lens. Hopefully you can see that, our Pentax K-70. This is a pretty awesome lens. I like this little setup. You do have the flash if you need it on the K-70. I'm excited to do some street photography. Now, the way I set my camera, I put it on TAV, and then I set my auto, or ISO, to auto, maxed out at 800, all right? And F8, I might adjust that. That 500th of a second should freeze any bicycle tires things. So I'm gonna get this lady down here, I'm gonna focus this way, and then I'm gonna, okay, we're gonna go all the way to 135, and I'm gonna get up here and get this lady right here. I'm gonna sit here for a second, and then I'm just gonna get her down the line, act like I'm shooting other things, and then I will, boom, shoot her. Okay, that's maxed out 135. That's 18 right there. So there's the difference in our 18 to 135. So I could just like every now and then just go like this, and but you've got a, thing is it makes a lot of noise. So you could shoot from the hip, but it does make a lot of noise. Break them out like this, boom, and like this, and like this. Oops, sorry guys. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in and kind of scroll across and grab these people right there. Oh. Let's see. Go this way so they don't know I'm hitting them. And then right there. That would have been cool. People walking by here. Okay, 135. Okay, got that dude there. He's looking at me like, what the hell are you doing, man? Oh, you guys go ahead. I'm sorry. Guess we're walking this way. Okay, I'll try to grab these people and see how this comes out. Kind of hold it like this, which is very unusual. Guess I'm gonna get this guy going in, zoom in here real far, real close, and get this guy walking up the steps. He's all the way. See, nothing exciting, but at least you've got the ability to zoom. Okay, this would be kind of boring, but I am going to shoot straight across. Again, with the zoom, you can do this. And, oh, but see, I got everybody else in there, and you only want one person at a time, if you can help it. If you'd have been looking at me, that'd have been cool. Hope my audio is coming out. I'm using the Rode Go 2, which I believe is much better, has a few better features. So, okay, so I'm zooming in. Got some sun going over there, but let's see. I'll walk by this lady, and I'm going to go ahead and try to get some. These are all autofocus. I'm going to walk by and see if I can get this lady right here. Although the sun, again, is at in front of us, so probably not. Okay, I'm just shooting from the hip. Of course, I would have to be hoping that the autofocus is grabbing on them, and it's probably not. Hey, sorry, man, I can't help you. No, excuse me. How you doing? Okay, this could be kind of cool. I'll move this up here. Oh, come on, focus on her. Oh, look at me, lady. Look at me, lady. Oh. What's that, for me?
Are you like a photographer then?
Yeah, street photographer.
Like, do you have an Instagram or something?
I do. There you go.
Hey.
Right on. One more.
Am I looking
There we
at
go.
the camera?
Yeah, you are. Here you go.
So nice.
It's a YouTube channel.
Oh, sick. So
Check
do
it
you
out.
like travel all over just Indiana or
Oh,
all
just
over the
Indianapolis mainly.
States? That's pretty cool, actually.
Right on. So that'll be probably up in a few days.
Hey,
It'll be on YouTube. Search for Jason Dozier.
Jason Dozier. Thanks, man.
Right on, hon. Thanks. Okay, hey, Hot Dog Man looks like he's out here today. There we go, zoomed all the way in.
Free. One more school is free, my brother. I'm not gonna nickel and dime you over here.
That's the kind of guy he is.
Hey, what's up, man?
What's happening?
How you? Hey, you know my page got hacked.
I know, I saw, yeah, I got your message and everything.
Oh, okay.
So
all
yeah,
right,
yeah.
all right.
Yeah, that's always my fear, man. I got all these damn videos on this channel, and I'm afraid somebody's going to end up, you
Yeah, I'm
know.
about to follow you. I forgot what your. I got a new page.
Oh, I'll send you the link then. Yeah, because this will be probably Sunday or so.
Okay.
Be a new one here. I got a different camera out.
Right on, brother. How you doing though?
Not bad, not bad. I was down here Memorial Day. I thought you might be here, but
Nah, man.
I took a kind of a hibernation over the winter. I usually.
I did a private gig on Memorial Day.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah. I did a little party.
Oh, okay. There you go. That's where the money's at. Well, good to see you back out here, man.
Good to see you too.
I'll be back out more.
All right, brother.
It's a good man right there. Okay, we're going to zoom in. We're just going to start getting people here. Boom. Got that. Get these guys walking through the sun, perhaps. I wonder if they'll jog over here to the sun. Nope. This guy will, though. Let's see. He's going to go right through that sun. Oh, almost. Okay, zooming in. 135. Boom, got that lady. Okay. Okay, now we're back to it. Okay, now we got it. Can't make those tips sitting down. There you go. How you doing, man?
Great, how are you?
Awesome, awesome. Because we're not shooting We're just hoping that the focus grabs it. I don't know if it is or not. Okay, now let's see, let's get to the sun so that the sun is too... Okay, this zoom is pretty cool actually. It will give you quite a bit of distance here. Let me get her. See, I mean, you can get some really good... Let's see, I need to see if I can get somebody walking this way, like this guy. Yeah. What block? Here we go. People walking right at you, and I'm already shooting, so that's their fault for walking at me. Don't know how well these are coming out. He's like, damn, dude. Coming through the light, and boom. Okay. Dude, I don't know how these are looking all the way down like this, but so I can get somebody walking through this thing. Oh, damn it. Just missed that dude. Okay, let's see if I can get this dude like this. Where you at? Come on. Here you go. Here you go. No cars. Okay, and I got me in there as well. Let's see if I can get this dude and get me in there as well. There you go. I think I got a car. Okay, that was kind of neat. I can get these people here. They don't know it, but boom, here you come. Andretti Boulevard, Andretti Drive. Okay, nothing exciting, but again, we're just playing around and having fun, all extended out, all excited. Okay, get this dude here. Can we get this dude walking by here? Oh, could have got the guy on the bike. That was cool. Got a bike, got a bike. Okay, hopefully those dreads come out sharp. Obviously he wasn't looking at me. I don't know why he wasn't looking at me. Why wouldn't somebody look at me? You're on a bicycle. Okay, here we go. Nice dreads. Oh wow, that was a little too far out. Okay, here. Can do this. Let's see, zoom in here and get the top of this guy's head with the baby. Again, really reaching for stuff here, but having fun, that's what it's all about. Now let's see if I can go ahead and get across the street here. Get these people, there's them. Okay, here's this guy. I hope that came out. Get this chick in her car. Oh. Okay, so I think we've shown what we can do. Here, we get these people. Hey! There we go, always fun. A graduate. Okay, so let's see. Try to get this guy going straight across in his bike. That was pretty cool. So I like Zoom Street. Trying to use some different varieties other than just the same old 18 that I've been using for 2 years. And I like the flexibility. I thought a mirrored DSLR would hamper me, but it really doesn't. Oh, that would have been cool. Take another puff, dude. Okay, and yep. Don't know if I can get her in a reflection or not. Yes, 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 yes. Okay guys, so here we are with the Pentax K-70, 18 to 135 zoom. This is an awesome camera. I'm having a lot of fun doing some alternative street photography, doing stuff other than an 18 millimeter APS-C sensor, which equals 28 millimeter on a full frame. Getting a little tired of it, done it for a couple years. Nothing wrong with it, of course, but need to expand the horizons a little bit. So got the Pentax K-70. I've been wanting to get downtown with this, kind of hibernate during the winter. So I was able to get out today, beautiful day out, summertime is here, so I'll be out a lot more now, and using different cameras. Pentax K-70, 18 to 135 zoom. That 135 comes in handy. I found myself using it a lot, and typically going all the way out to the end of a lens of a zoom, you don't get the best quality. It seemed like I was still getting pretty darn good quality at 135. So normally on most lenses, they would tell you if you have an 18 to 135, you want to go maybe 24 to 120, something like that would be your best area, maybe even a little tighter. And you start losing a lot of detail if you're right at 18 or right up at 135. I don't think that's the case with these, but at any rate, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed seeing some of the unique things you can do with this Pentax K-70. Not so much unique, just everyday type of photos. If you're out and running around and with the family and you're, find yourself in a different town or something like that, and you're just out and a zoom can give you a lot of different possibilities. You can get the tourist snapshots and you can get some cool street photography. So again, appreciate you guys checking it out. Let me know what you think. If you like these K-70 videos, I'll keep putting them out. All right, guys, we'll see you on the next one.